Hey friends, is it possible to clean this dirty Audi RS7 and make it look like new again? Look at the rear bumper and the exhaust. Even the entrances are extremely dirty. Therefore, we have to wash the car with a lot of foam and clean every detail very thoroughly. Afterwards, we have another problem. The paintwork is badly scratched and needs to be polished. But the customer wants his car to look better than perfect. I don't know if we can remove all the scratches. We'll see. Let's get started. Let's get to the most important step in car washing, the pre-cleaning. For this, I use Green Star from Koch Chemie, the best way to remove most of the dirt. Simply spray onto the vehicle, leave to work for a short time, and then wash off. This is very important so that I don't scratch the paintwork even more with the wash mitt in the next step. Now I can wash the car thoroughly. The foam will help dissolve the remaining dirt. For the big parts, I use a wash mop and a wash mitt. For the details, I use a soft brush. With it, I can get into the narrow areas very well. The entrances can also be cleaned perfectly with it. So friends, the car is completely clean and dry. I drive it into the garage so that we can start with the paint correction. The car is extremely scratched, so I will test on one part which pad and polish I need to get the perfect result. I will show you a before and after so you can see the difference. As you can see, I use the PXE80 from Flex, a small polishing machine for the details. I have many attachments for this machine, so I can polish almost all areas of the vehicle. I can even correct the grille with it. It takes a lot of time, but it's worth it and the customer will be happy about it. The paint on the Audi looks like new. To protect the car for the next few years, I use a ceramic coating from Koch Chemie. The coating has many properties. It is dirt and water repellent, so the car stays clean much longer. This also makes cleaning much easier. It also protects the car from swirls. But the best thing is the incredible glossy shine. You just have to see that. The paint will look like a mirror. Even a new car doesn't look that good. After I finish the coating, I will show you some before and after. The result will be amazing. Check out how I detailed this red Porsche 911. The car was also extremely dirty and scratched. Click on the video and you will see how I transformed it into a new car.